So, folks, we are super excited to launch into 2023 and our YouTube channel. But before we get started in 2023, let's just take a moment and go back. What was our end in mind to even begin this channel to start with? And that was to educate customers and educate viewers on their RV that they already have, and things that I've picked up along the trail I wanted to share with you guys. And so we do have some new exciting formats that we're going to be playing around with in 2023, and let's get it started right here. Who's this person? Okay, so this is Trisha. She is our office manager and a liaison between all of the customers throughout the world that reach out to us and our company. So if you've ever reached out to us, text message, carrier pigeon, email, Trisha is going to be the one that's going to be replying back to you. We've also started a tool company in 2021 or 2. I don't know when we started it. And Trisha is the CEO of the tool company. So she is at the head, steering how the direction needs to go to make that business be successful as well. So she's a very important part of the company. And so one of the things we're going to be doing is starting with some interview series. And so that's the format. And this is Trisha, and I'm Darren. And so we're going to go through a little bit of a Q&A kind of a format to help introduce everybody to what we have planned.
Yeah, and if you're over on Patreon, and you'll see that our How to Start a Mobile RV Repair Business series has released, and that is for our $15 and $25 tier. So you'll see a lot of this format there. And today we're just going to talk a little bit about what to expect in the new year, what our channel is going to look like, and what we plan to record.
Yay. All right.
You took us back in time a little bit, and you said that when we first started the channel, the goal was to just walk people through the common issues that you had seen as an RV technician, and just with the idea that we could educate people on how to troubleshoot, and just all the things that you were encountering in the field that you could take them along with you.
Sure.
And so that was the goal and how we started. And then what were some things that kind of made it challenging to keep going in 2021 and 2022?
Okay. Well, I've mentioned this a few times in the videos. I'm still a working man. Okay, so we still get the service calls, and we're still going out fixing people's things. So there's a busyness involved in running the business. And so there's also a business involved in making videos and editing them and getting them up for you guys. And so as the business started to go through an upswing, that was a challenge to get the videos out as frequently as we would have liked. Okay, and then another thing we did was with the, I make a lot of my own tools. Most trades, you're going to make your own tools. And we decided to launch a new company, T3 Interface, and getting that business started up and tooled, and our first couple tools run through, work out some of the kinks, and test them out myself, and then some of our first early adopter beta testers, just getting the time to put in quality to a good tool took some time away from. So that was kind of like some of the challenges we had to overcome in order to make this channel really rock and roll.
Yeah, and I think our goal was never to make this like a full-time job. I think mainly because when you first started, it was just like something you were doing, and you never expect something to take off.
Never did I expect this.
So, but now we're kind of looking at making it one of the focuses of the business. Yes. And so, so where does that leave us for 2023?
Well, for 2023, we're going to try to go back to the original vision of what the YouTube channel was. And we're going to sprinkle in some live stream and some bonus content. And what the original vision was the long format. Here's a problem. Let's follow the trail. Let's try to diagnose it together. Let's do that. Let's do some modifications to really sow value into you guys. We think that our audience is mostly people that I think our audience is mostly people that want to figure out what's wrong with their RV and get it going again. And we've also got a content that is RV technicians that are watching our content as well. And so we really want to focus on those, and so the live streams is where most of our Q&As will be, and we'll try to get me out in the field doing more follow the trail type videos.
Great.
Yeah.
Sounds fun.
Yeah, and then blooper reels, of course. Bonus content, excuse me. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, and if you can't get enough of us on our YouTube channel, check us out over on Patreon. You can support us with a monthly donation and you get extra benefits there. So we'll have different series, like we're starting the How to Start a Mobile RV Repair Business series. That's for the $15 and $25 tiers. We do special live streams, and we're looking at ways that we can really interact on a more personal basis over on Patreon. So check us out there. There's a link in the description below, and see what we have to offer there.
Yay! So here's the 2023. So we're excited for where we're going with this in 2023. And we get feedback from your likes, your shares, your watching, to let us know what's working, what's not, so that we can make this content better for you guys. I know for me, there's probably other things I could be doing, like watching hockey or just like doing nothing. But no, we're putting stuff together. So we're here for you guys to make your lives better in your RV. And happy campers say,
My RV
My
works.
RV works. Okay, so we will see you on our videos in 2023. We'll visit with you on our live streams, and consider joining us on Patreon to help support us.
Yeah.
And we're also on Rumble as well.
Yep.
Okay, so we've moved over to Rumble as well. Basically the same content on both platforms.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
And all right.
Look forward to seeing you there in 2023.
Yes. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye. So keep it simple. We also have bonus content where we let people know outtakes. I gotta go pee and things like that. Okay. The outtake that we just did just now. There's an outtake right there. Okay, we'll do it this time. I feel like a blooper reel. There we go. Okay.
Okay. All right.
This will be on the deleted scenes cut.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Whew, I don't know if I can do this again.
Well, you. I was gonna say your part was fine. We could just splice you out and splice me
Oh,
in.
okay. Maybe we could. Okay.
Try it one more time, and
All
I'll
right,
just get a
okay.
running start at it.
Okay.
Yeah, I got stuck on the liaison because I couldn't figure out that word. But anyway, yeah, because you're 3, 2. Okay, Sid, we're starting all over again. Sorry, buddy. Okay, 3, 2, 1. We got scripts. Just to keep us on track. I have a tendency to. No, she has a tendency to go rambling, and I'm just trying
rabbit
to.
trails all day long.
Yeah.
So.
I've got it in my head. Hold on. I was listening. Oh, a spirograph. Outstanding. Oh, those are fun. You'll
Okay,
work with
so I'll
Sid. Doesn't
say-
know when to cut and everything.
Poor Sid. He's got the hardest job in the world.
You really do, Sid. We love you, buddy.
Okay.
Roll it.
So where does that leave us for 2023?
I have no idea. We're
I
going to
can
shut
say it
everything
again.
down. I'm going to go back in engineering where everything was simple. So before we get into some interviewing things, and that's a new thing we're going to be doing, I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop. I feel like the wheels fell off the bus halfway through that, and I just kept going. So I need to stop. All right. Thanks for watching.